Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of PYQ. So today will be the last lecture of PYQ series. Let us begin with the remaining topics, that is figure formation, and we will go through banking problems. We will go through topics like trigonometry, statistics, probability, and we will complete the remaining questions today itself. Let us begin with question number 1. Consider the following figure and answer the item that follows. In this figure, the figure looks like this. There is no line here as well as here. Okay. Now the question here is, what is the total number of triangles in the above grid? Now to find the total number of triangles, what you need to do is you need to create levels. This is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, this is level 4, and this is level 5. The gap between levels, suppose अगर 1 है, that is level 1 or level 2 के बीच में how many triangles are there? If I take the gap as 1, gap अगर 1 ले रहा हूँ, how many triangles? Between level 1 and level 2, how many triangles are there? 1. Between level 2 and level 3, how many triangles are there? You can see 1, 2 and 3, right? So 3. Between level 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Between level 4 and level 5, no triangles here. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. Got it? If we take the gap between levels as 2, so I'll start with 1, 1 and 3. Between 1 and 3, you can see only one triangle is there. I'm not considering level 2 and level 3. It is only between 1 and 3. It should touch 1 as well as 3. Got it? Both levels. So you have only one triangle. Plus level 2 and level 4, how many triangles are there? One, this fellow, and the level 2 and level 4 is this fellow. No more triangles, right? So total how many triangles? So total triangles are 2. Clear? Plus level 3 and level 5, how many triangles are there? You can see 1, this is the first triangle, this is the second triangle, this is the third triangle, and this is the fourth triangle, right? So total how many triangles? 4 triangles. Clear? Now we have to take 3 levels. That is 1 and 4, 2 and 5. Between 1 and 4, how many triangles are there? 1 triangle. Plus between 2 and 5, how many triangles are there? 2 triangles. We'll take the gap as 4. That is level 1 and level 5. How many triangle? 1 triangle. If you add them, this will be 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 12. This will be 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. This will be 3, and this will be 1. 12, 10, 22, 1, 23. So the answer would be 23. If this is joined, that is a complete figure, in that case, what we use is we use a formula, that is n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. Okay. N into n plus 2 by 2n plus 1, 8. N is how many levels? Clear? Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number 2. 4 cardboard pieces of specific shapes are shown in the figure below. These are the shapes which are available. Which one of the following figures given can be formed using these pieces together? Now you can see where these figures are embedded. Is this one the figure? No. Is this one? No, because we have this shape which is not available. This one? No. Why? Because the sides are at 90 degrees. So this is wrong. This is the correct option. You can see the diagram is arranged like this. This fellow comes here. It makes it like this. And this one comes here, which makes it like this. This is the diagram. Got it? Coming to question number 3. Considering this three-dimensional figure, how many triangles does the above figure have? Again, this will be the first level. This will be the second level. This is the top. And this is the bottom. Got it? Between this top and L1, how many triangles are there? You can clearly see this is the first triangle. This is the second triangle. This is the third triangle. And backside there are 2 triangles. That is 5. Similarly, here also 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 हो गया. बाकी ये वाला लेवल में क्या है? This is the diagram that is followed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's symmetry. So that side also there would be 5. The top one is not symmetric, but this one is symmetric. To make L1 and L2, L3 has to be symmetric. That means if 5 triangles are visible, backside maybe 5 triangles honge, which are arranged like this. Is it clear? So these are how many triangles? 10. पहले 10 थे, अभी 10. Total triangles would be 20. Got it? Coming to the next problem, that is question number 4. Consider the following statements in respect of a rectangular sheet of a length 20 cm and breadth 8 cm. Length is 20 cm, breadth is 8 cm. It is possible to cut the sheet exactly into 4 square sheets. हमें देखना है क्या is it possible to cut into 4 square sheets? We need to check. 4 square sheet मतलब बड़े बड़े figures होंगे, because the ratio मतलब the area is 160 cm square, right? यहाँ पे 4 इक्वल एरिया बताया नहीं गया है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज वी टेक इट लाइक दिस 4x square equals to 160, x square equals to 40, which is not a perfect square. So आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है. Why? It has not asked you that whether it is equal areas or not. आपको बस square form करना है. If I take a square here right now, taking this as 8 and this as 8, square number 1. Again another figure also can be formed, taking this as 8 and taking this as 8, square number 2. अभी ये 16 हो गया, remaining कितना बचा? 4. ये कितना है? 8. Can I divide it like this? 4 4 4 4. Is it clear or not? This will be the third square, this will be the fourth square. So 4 square are possible. Yes, so this is correct. Is it possible to cut the square into 10 triangular sheets of equal area? अभी equal area की बात हो गया. तो अब देखो, अगर ये आपका 20 और ये 8 है, अगर आप इसको 10 में डिवाइड कर दोगे, 10 ट्रायंगुलर शीट्स बनाना है. चलो मैं ऐसे करता हूं कि दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इमेजिनेशन. मैं 5 डिविजन्स करता हूं. इन दिस 5 डिविजन्स, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 4. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल कट इट लाइक दिस. सारे इक्वल एरिया हो गए. Base is 4, the height is 8. How many triangles? 10 triangles. Is it clear? Of equal area. So this is also correct. So the answer will be both 1 and 2. Got it? Coming to question number, no, question number 5. So we have completed the topic of figure formation. Let us proceed to the next topic, that is banking. Coming to question number 1. As per agreement with a bank, a businessman had to refund a loan in some equal installments without interest. After paying 18 installments, he found that 60% of his loan was refunded. How many installment was there in the agreement? Let us read the question again. As per agreement with a bank, a businessman had to refund a loan in some equal installments. Suppose the installment amount be I. Total amount that the person has to pay be A. Now the person has paid 18 installments. So 18I is equals to 60% of the loan was refunded. That means 60 by 100 into A. This 0 getting cancelled, this getting cancelled. A by I is equals to 30. What does A by I means? Total amount by total installment gives you number of installments. Yes or no? So number of installments would be 30. Got it? Clear? Proceed to the next problem. A person brought a refrigerator worth rupees 22,800 at the interest rate of 12.5% compounded yearly, compound interest rate. At the end of first year, he paid rupees 8650. So first year में rate अगर इतना है, interest कितना होगा? Interest will be 12.5% of 22,800. That will be 125 by 1000 into 22800. This getting cancelled. 228 into 125. ये multiply करना पड़ेगा. 8540. 0 taken 4. 5 2 is 10. 14. 4 taken 1. 5 2 is 10. 111. This will be 456. 1140. Again, this will be 456. This will be 228. So when you add them, it becomes 28500. So 28500 divided by 10. So what will be the amount? 2850. So at the end of first year, the total amount is 22800, 2850, 05, 8816, 5, 25650. The person paid 8650. If the person paid 8650, what will be the amount? 17,000 remaining. Now again 12.5% in the second year. This is the total amount that is remaining after second year. Now in the second year, the total amount remaining is 17,000. Interest rate is 12.5% of 17,000. So what we have to do is 125 by 1000 into 17,000. This getting cancelled. 125 into 17. Yes or no? So the answer would be 1875 and 125. Clear? This will give you 2125. Got it? So the total interest will be 2125. 17,000 अगर पहले अमाउंट था, 2125 उसका इंटरेस्ट था, टोटल बिकम्स 19125. Now the person paid 9125. क्वेश्चन सेटअप ही ऐसा बनाया गया है. 9125. Now the person pays 9125. The remaining amount will be 10,000. If the remaining amount is 10,000, उसके ऊपर 12.5 interest percent लगेगा. So at the end of third year, the person will pay extra of 1250. ऊपर 10,000 total amount था. So 10,000 plus 1250 will be 11,250. So the answer would be D. Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. This will be question number 3. A principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded half yearly with R% annual rate. Compounded half yearly with R% annual rate. So इसका क्या मतलब? टोटल अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा? P प्लस Q कितना हो जाएगा? P प्लस अगर R% एनुअल इंटरेस्ट रेट है, सॉरी, P इंटू 1 प्लस R बाय 100 का होल स्क्वायर, क्योंकि T है हाफ ईयरली. द सेम प्रिंसिपल बिकम्स Q इन 1 ईयर, P into 1 plus R by 100 1 year when compounded, sorry, with S interest rate for annually. दोनों का रेट सेम, दोनों का अमाउंट सेम है. सो 1 plus R by 100 का होल स्क्वायर इंटू P इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू 1 plus S by 100 का स्क्वायर. P getting cancelled. 100 plus R का स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट ये 1 है. 100 इंटू 100 plus S. Yes or no? Got it? अभी कौन सा बड़ा है, whether R is greater और S is greater, वो कैसे हम निकालेंगे? Let us take an example. क्वेश्चन है ना R और S का रिलेशन. देखो ये 100 प्लस R का स्क्वायर, ये बहुत बड़ा क्वांटिटी हो जाएगा या नहीं? ये टोटल वैल्यू अगर R जितना छोटा हो जाएगा, R जितना छोटा होगा, फिर भी ये बड़ा होगा या नहीं? यस और नो? आप समझ लो R इज इक्वल्स टू 0 मान लेता हूँ. सपोज कुछ रेट इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 10,000 हो जाएगा. और ये वैल्यू कितना है? S भी 0 हो जाएगा, बट R कैनॉट बी 0. सो इक्वल कभी नहीं हो सकता है. अभी R इक्वल टू आप 1 डालो तो कितना हो जाएगा? 100 प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर. तो दैट मीन्स 100, इसको 100 मान लेते हैं सपोज फॉर आवर इजी कैलकुलेशन. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 200 का स्क्वायर. 200 का स्क्वायर मतलब 40,000. यस और नो? अगर R सपोज 100 है, तो 100 प्लस 100 दैट इज 200. 200 का स्क्वायर विल बी 40,000. अभी आपको S चाहिए, तो आप क्या करोगे? 40,000 इक्वल्स टू 100 इंटू 100 प्लस S. इसको कैंसिल करो. अभी कितना हुआ? S बिकम्स 300. आर यू गेटिंग इट? तो आप अगर R आपका 100 है, S हो रहा है 300, मतलब S हैज टू बी ग्रेटर टू मैच अप विद दिस बिगर वैल्यू. सो R और S में रिलेशन कौन बड़ा होगा? S बड़ा होगा. सो S बड़ा मतलब C will be the answer. Is it clear? Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. So we have completed banking. let us go to the next topic, that is trigonometry. In trigonometry, this is question number 1. AB is a vertical trunk of a huge tree, with A being the point where the base of the trunk touches the ground. So this is the tree, base touches the ground. Due to a cyclone, the tree has been broken. Cyclone ho gaya, tree has been broken. Got it? And which is at a height of 12 meters. Broken part is partially attached to the vertical portion of the trunk C. If the end of the broken part touches the ground at a D, this is D, this is C, which is at a distance of 5 meters from A. This is 5, this is 12. Then ये हो जाएगा 13, Pythagoras theorem. Got it? Then the original height of the trunk will be 13 plus 12. That will be 25 meters. Got it? The answer would be B. Clear? Proceed to the next problem, that is question number 2. Two walls of a ceiling of a room at right angles at a point P. Two walls है, घर के एक कोने पे देख लो. This will be two walls. Yes or no? जिस कॉर्नर पे देखना है आपको. सपोज ये आपका घर में एक कॉर्नर पॉइंट है. टॉप कॉर्नर देखो, उस टॉप कॉर्नर में दो वॉल्स होंगे. सपोज यू आर फेसिंग अ वॉल और अ वॉल इज एट योर बैक साइड. सपोज द वॉल यू आर फेसिंग, वो वाला फेस और एक लेफ्ट साइड या राइट साइड कोई भी ले सकते हो. So this is the position of the wall right now. Two walls, ये दोनों wall और ये ऊपर का ceiling है. At a point P, they intersect at a point P. A fly is in the air 1 meter from one wall. Suppose ये वाला wall से एक fly है which is at a position of 1 meter. दूसरे wall से which is at a position of 9 meter. How many meters is the fly from the ceiling? इस ceiling में से कितने मीटर है? If the fellow is, sorry, this is 8 and it is at a distance of 9 meter from P. Got it? Now, observe one thing. Now the question is, ऊपर के सीलिंग में से वो कितना दूर है? X, Y, Z का कोऑर्डिनेट आपको पता है 1, 8 और ये वाला निकालना है. The distance from the origin, suppose P origin है, P से वो कितना दूरी है? 9. Can we say x square plus y square plus z square equals to 9, which implies x square plus y square plus z square becomes 81. ये 3D का कॉन्सेप्ट है. x square is 1, ये 64, z square equals to 81. So z square becomes 16, z becomes 4. So एक कोऑर्डिनेट जो सीलिंग वाला डिस्टेंस है, that will be 4. Got it? Let us go to the next problem. Question number 3. A woman runs 12 kilometers towards her north. Woman runs 12 kilometers towards her north. Returns 6 kilometers towards her south. So that means at a distance of 6 kilometers, and then 8 kilometers towards her east. In which direction is she from a starting point? Now देखो, this is 8, this is 6. आपको ये थीटा निकालना है. देखो, 3 डायग्राम में बना रहा हूं आप लोगों के लिए. This is one case, this is one case, this is other case. If the vertical is greater than the horizontal, vertical length is greater than the horizontal length, theta is greater than 45. क्यों? देखो, ये बड़ा हो गया ना, तो थीटा ऊपर चला जाएगा, तो ये एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा. अगर वर्टिकल लेंथ इक्वल्स टू हॉरिजॉन्टल लेंथ है तो थीटा इक्वल्स टू 45 हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? अगर वर्टिकल लेंथ छोटा है हॉरिजॉन्टल लेंथ से, हॉरिजॉन्टल लेंथ बड़ा हुआ, थीटा कम हो जाएगा, थीटा विल बी लेस देन 45 डिग्री. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? एट दिस पॉइंट it is 6, this is 8, so horizontal length is greater than vertical length, so that means theta will be less than 45 degree. If theta is less than 45 degree, तो ये वाला ऑप्शन में थीटा लेस है, ये दोनों आंसर नहीं होंगे. South of east or north of east? It is at north of east, the answer would be B. Is it clear? Got it? Let us go to the next problem. So we have completed trigonometry questions. We will begin with the next topic, that is probability. We have question number 1. A round archery target of diameter 1 meter is marked with 4 scoring zones फ्रॉम द सेंटर आउटवर्ड्स एज रेड, ब्लू, येलो एंड व्हाइट। ऐसा एक आर्चरी टारगेट है जिसका डायमीटर है 1 मीटर। दैट मीन्स दिस बिकम्स हाफ मीटर एज द रेडियस। द रेडियस ऑफ द रेड बैंड इज 0.20 मीटर। रेडियस ऑफ द रेड बैंड, ये वाला रेड बैंड है, इसका रेडियस है 0.20 मीटर। द विड्थ ऑफ ऑल रिमेनिंग बैंड्स इज इक्वल। ये 0.20 हो गया, बाकी बचा 0.30, बाकी 0.10, 0.10, 0.1। गॉट इट? If archers throw arrows towards the target, what is the probability that the arrows fall in the red region of the target? Red region मतलब ये वाला सर्कल। So इसका सर्कल मतलब probability क्या होगा? The area of the red circle divided by the total area, because आपका probability क्या है? It should hit this area. Total available area ये total area है। That means pi into 0.20 का square whole divided by pi into r square कितना हो जाएगा? 0.5 का square। ऊपर वाला कितना हुआ? 0.04, not 0.4, be very careful, 0.04 divided by 0.25, so this gives you 4 by 25, which gives you 0.16. Got it? So the answer would be 0.16. I want to add one thing. Suppose ये पूछता कि what is the probability of the archer hitting the target in the blue zone, तो ब्लू जोन के लिए कौन सा वाला एरिया होगा? ये टोटल सर्कल है, ये रेड है, ये ब्लू है, तो आपको ये वाला एरिया निकालना है। यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल का कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा ना। कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल में क्या हुआ? पाई इंटू ब्लू वाला डायमेंशन कितना हुआ? ये वाला सर्कल 0.3 का स्क्वायर, माइनस बीच वाला कितना है सर्कल? 0.2 का स्क्वायर। ये वाला एरिया इज द रिक्वायर्ड फेवरेबल जोन डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल अवेलेबल जोन कितना है? 0.5 का स्क्वायर। आर यू गेटिंग इट? ये होगा प्रोबेबिलिटी। दिस कैन बी अ प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन दिस ईयर ऑल्सो। बी वेरी केयरफुल, कौन सा जोन पूछ रहा है, रेड पूछ रहा है या ब्लू पूछ रहा है। गॉट इट? लेट अस प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, a bag contains 15 red balls, 20 black balls. Each ball is numbered either 1 or 2 or 3. 15 रेड बॉल्स हैं, 20 ब्लैक बॉल्स है, टोटल बॉल्स कितना हुआ? 35। गॉट इट? ये टोटल एविडेंस अभी गिवन है। 20% ऑफ द रेड बॉल्स आर नंबर्ड 1। नंबर्ड 1 रेड बॉल्स, कितने रेड बॉल्स नंबर 1 है? 20%। ये रेड वाला लाइन है, ये ब्लू वाला लाइन है। दिस इज 2, सॉरी ये ब्लैक वाला लाइन है। दिस इज रेड, दिस इज ब्लैक। 1, 2 एंड 3। 15, 20% of the red balls are numbered 1. 20% of 15 means 3. 40% of them are numbered 3. 40% means 6. 6, 3, 9. So ये वाला कितना हो जाएगा? Again 6. Similarly, among the black balls, 45% are numbered 2. 45 means 9. 30% are numbered 3. That is 6. 9, 6, 15. A boy picks a 9, 6, 15. ये हो जाएगा 5. A boy picks a ball at random. He wins if the ball is red. Red ball कितना है? Red and numbered 3. Numbered 3 मतलब 6 plus. If it is black and numbered 1 or 2. Black numbered 1 or 2 कितना है? 14. Right? Divided by total number कितना है? 35. So 20 by 35. अगर आप इसको 5 से कैंसिल करोगे, 5 4s are 20 divided by 35. So the answer would be 4 by 7. Got it? If we take the next question, that will be from progression. So we have completed the next topic, that is probability. Let us begin with the topic of progression. Question number 1. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay in completion of the work beyond a certain date is as follows. It is 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than that of the preceding day. How much penalty should the contractor pay if he delays the work by 10 days? Delays the work by 10 days. That means 10th day तक जितना amount होगा उतना ही payment होगा. So that means sum कितना है? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? N is what? 10. 10 by 2, 2 times of a will be 400 plus 9 times of d is 50. 450 plus 400 will be 850 into 5. Got it? 850 into 5. 900 into 5 कितना है? 4500. So that means 800 into 5 कितना है? 4000. Answer would lie between 4,000 and 4,500. Is it clear? So only option is B. So the answer will be B. 4250. Clear? Let us go to the next problem, that is question number 2. For what value of n the sum of digits in the number 10 to the power n plus 1 is 2? For n equals to 0 only, 10 to the power plus n, that is 10 to the power 0 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. हो सकता है ओनली का ऑप्शन चेक करना है. 10 to the power 1 plus 1 कितना हुआ? 10 plus 1, that is 11, which is equals to 1 plus 1, that is also 2. So this is wrong. Why? It is also applicable for n equals to 1. For any whole number n, for any positive number n only. पॉजिटिव नंबर n ओनली कैसे होगा? जीरो भी तो हो रहा है. सो ये गलत हो गया. गॉट इट? फॉर एनी रियल नंबर n, रियल नंबर मतलब 10 to the power 0.5 plus 1, ये तो नहीं होगा ना. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. सो फॉर एनी होल नंबर n, 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 चेक करो कितना आएगा? 100 plus 1, दिस विल बी 2. वाई? 101 प्लस, आप इसको ऐड करो 1 plus 1, दैट विल ऑल्सो 2. बट वाई इज इट सो? अगर आप 10 to the power n कुछ भी करो, एक 1 आएगा, बाकी सारे 0 आएंगे. तो आप में एक 1 ऐड करना है, तो टोटल सम तो 2 ही होगा ना. गॉट इट? क्लियर? Let us go to the next problem. So we have completed the next topic also, that was the topic of progression. Let us go to the next topic, that is figure coloring. Easy topics. Question number 1. Consider the following figure and answer the item that follows. What is the minimum number of different colors required to paint the figure given above, such that no two adjacent regions have the same color? If no two adjacent have the same color, so you have to give them colors right now. Color number 1. If required, use another color. Since no adjacent have to be the same color, so I'll use another color, color 2. Again, color 1 भी use कर सकता हूँ, available है. Color 2, color 1, color 2, color 1, color 2, right? अभी ये वाला position जो है, I cannot use color 1 or color 2, so I have to bring in color 3 here. Now for this position, I can use again color 1, color 2, color 1, color 2, because they are not adjacent right now. Color 1. Again for this position I can use color 3. Yes. Now for this position I can use again color 1 or color 2, anyone. So they won't be adjacent. So what will be the answer? How many colors? 3 colors minimum. So answer would be A. Got it? Coming to the next topic. The next topic is pipes and cisterns. एक ही question है for the topic pipes and cisterns. Let us see that. Question number 1. Two pipes. It is same as work time and work problem. So which we have completed. So it is similar kind of topic. Two pipes A and B can independently fill a tank completely in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. So this is A, this is B. What is the time taken to complete? 20 minutes, 30 minutes. LCM निकालो, 60 minutes. Got it? So A का efficiency कितना हो जाएगा? 60 minutes by 20 minutes, that is 3. B का efficiency कितना होगा? 2. Got it? Total efficiency कितना हो गया? 5. Question क्या पूछा है? How much time will they take to fill the tank completely if both the pipes are open? If both the pipes are open, 60 minutes. 5 is the efficiency. How much time? 12 minutes. Is it clear? 60 by 5. Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. Statistics. This is the last question. After this, we will complete the PYQ series. And let us complete this question first. Question number 1. If for a sample data mean, median, mode. ये वाला question is a factual question. Mean is less than median or less than mode. Normal distribution curve होता है, इसको पढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है. Okay. ऐसा skewed है. This is no skewed. और ऐसा skewing भी हो सकता है. Got it? If mean is less than median is less than mode, so we read in probability distribution that it is skewed to the left side. Got it? It is skewed to the left side of the graph. So ये factual problem है. No need to worry. If such question appears, you can safely leave. Clear? So with this, we have completed the whole PYQ series. Thank you for your patience. and I wish you all the best for your exam, which is on June 16th. Now I have recorded this on 11th of May, so we have around 1 month, 5 days for the exam. So it's good amount of time to revise things again. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. If you still need any assistance, you can check the course at Corridor, which will help you to complete any remaining topics or any tough topics like PNC, number system, and which can help you to clear the exam easily. Got it? So we will see you again in some other day with some other topics. Until then, for one last time in this PYQ series, this is Subhranshu signing off. Jai Hind.